Merry Christmas, Jessie. I hope you enjoy your new sprouting kit. As you can see here, I'm adding about a tablespoon of seeds. Don't add too many seeds or they might get moldy. Now that the seeds are in the jar, I'm adding some water that has sat out overnight or for a few days so that the chlorine can evaporate. You can use regular tap water, but non-chlorinated water is better. Next, I'm putting the lid on. And now I'm going to store the seeds overnight in a dark cabinet. Yep, still there. After sitting in the cabinet overnight, take the seeds out and rinse them with cold water. Pour the water out and set them on the stand. It helps to have something to absorb the water underneath the stand. It's also kind of good to shake the seeds around the glass jar. This jar has sat overnight for 2 nights. You can see the sprouts are starting to grow. Every day you want to rinse them at least twice a day. Spread them out. Even though you can't see it here because I've rinsed and shaken these seeds, I'm always amazed that the little roots know how to grow straight down. And this is what the sprouts look like when they're all done. You can eat your sprouts when they just start to sprout, or you can wait until they grow some more green on them. Lots of normal people like to have their sprouts on salad. Alexa, how can you serve alfalfa sprouts?
Alfalfa sprouts are perfect for adding that fresh, mild crunch to sandwiches and wraps. They're like nature's confetti. Toss them into salads for texture, layer them on avocado toast, or mix them into cold noodle dishes and grain bowls. They're also great in smoothies if you want to sneak in some extra nutrients without changing the flavor much.
Thank you. And as you know, I like to eat my sprouts straight from the jar. Hey Alexa, how can I serve alfalfa sprouts to guests?
For guests, alfalfa sprouts work beautifully as elegant garnishes on appetizer platters or mixed into fancy salads with pomegranate seeds and nuts. You could create a build-your-own sandwich bar where they can add sprouts for that gourmet touch, or incorporate them into Vietnamese spring rolls for something interactive and fresh. They also make any cheese and cracker spread look like you hired a caterer when you just sprinkle them on top.
Thanks, Alexa.
Ah, you just made my day.
Alexa, how can I serve sprouts?
Sprouts are like little culinary chameleons. You can saute them with garlic and ginger for an Asian twist, fold them into omelets for breakfast, or pile them high on burgers and sandwiches for that satisfying crunch. They're also amazing in spring rolls, mixed into coleslaw, or even blended into green smoothies if you're feeling adventurous.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Court.
See there? I'm not that crazy. Super healthy. Protein, vitamins, everything you need. Hey honey, ready for your morning alfalfa sprouts?
No!
You can see here that I'm enjoying some of my sprouts on some avocado toast. Yum, yum. I suggest cutting the toast in half. There you see the final product. Delicious and healthy. Here I spread a little mayonnaise on top to give it a little extra flavor. And here, I'm enjoying my favorite peanut butter, mayonnaise, and sprouts. Mmm. 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 You're really going to like this. Jessie, Merry Christmas, and I sure hope you enjoy your seed starter. Make Roger eat some too, and Xochi. All your family. Hey honey, you ready for your morning sprouts?
No. I think I'll take a rain check on that.
Okay.